Think fast. Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna start a new kind of episodes. Normally we have the beginner tutorials, but now we're gonna have the quick tutorials, or better called Quick-Torials. Today we're gonna do Salmon En Papillote. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! They're not a lot, but let's immediately go over the ingredients you need. Starting off with basil, of course the salmon, and 1 clove of garlic, 1 lime, which we're gonna zest, and also if you want to use the lime juice. Following that, we want 1 roughly chopped onion, and also salt and pepper, dill, and garlic powder, which is also a main ingredient. Let's get cooking, come on. Starting with the prep, it's quite easy and straightforward. Again, this method is called en papillote, or like they say in Italian, al cartoccio, which is a method to cook food in a folded pouch or parcel. This time we're using paper. You can also use foil, but then the cooking time decreases drastically with high probability of overcooking your food. So I suggest using paper. As for the steps, start out with a tray, then place the baking paper on top, and then try to find the middle line of that baking paper. And on that line, line out your onions and then sprinkle them with a bit of olive oil. Next step is to place the salmon on top of the onions, followed by some seasoning. We're gonna season with salt and pepper, followed by that lovely dill, and also one of my favorites, garlic powder. Next, zest the lime over the salmon. Try to cover the salmon completely with the zest of the lime. For the clove of garlic, mince that and cover the top of the salmon with the minced garlic. Lastly, place basil leaves on top of the salmon. This will give the salmon a beautiful basil flavor. Finish it off with sprinkling olive oil on top. And another tip to show people the difference between a chef and a cook, place knobs of butter right beneath the basil leaves. This, of course, is optional, but highly recommended. Now for the folding technique, bring one side to the other and start twisting the edges in a circular motion, bringing those from the left to the right together, just like this. At the end, try to close both edges as good as possible. Then place the salmon en papillote in a 180 degrees preheated oven for 11 minutes. At the end, it'll come out looking just like this. Open it up. Ain't that gorgeous? Come on, let's taste. It's beautifully pink on the inside and also splits apart smoothly. And the taste is, dare I say, yum!